I never let anything bother me so bad that I need a psychiatrist or ended up in one of those places. I just kept going. And when I complained, like David, King David, I complained to God. He's a big boy. He can take it. Amen. Okay. Honesty and moral principles. Integrity is often associated with honesty and trustworthiness. It means living in accordance with one's own values and beliefs, even when faced with temptation or pressure to compromise. This is what's happening to a lot of people. They're compromising, and that's exactly what's happening, and it's bringing them down. A person of integrity is generally considered to be upright, virtuous, and of good character. Now, I might have messed up in the character part there, a few things, and virtuous, but I was upright. I always has been the kind of person where I said what I believe is the truth, and I wouldn't sway from it. Whether people liked me or not, I had people dislike me and start to hate me because of something that I said, but it ended up being the truth. Amen. I had a woman that got smart with me one time about something that dealt with medical things, and I told her, be careful because there's certain things going on about this thing. Sorry, I'm trying to say it the best way I can. She got mad and called my pedigree and told everybody she knows me and I owe people apology and she'd been knowing me for years and I never have been any good and blah, blah. And sure enough, I found the link that proved what I was trying to tell her. And I put the link up there and everybody read the link. That woman ain't said hi, goodbye, nothing. She hadn't bothered me since. I knew what I was talking about. Foolproof your ministry. Mary Dudley Davis. My cousin Bunny, she used to always say, foolproof your ministry. And I'm telling y'all today, don't fall for the silly stuff. Foolproof your ministry. When you say something to somebody, make sure you can prove it. Biblical, you got your proof right here. You got your proof. Biblical. Amen. Wholeness and completeness. Integrity can also refer to a state of being whole, undivided, and unimpaired. That's the word. That's me. All my life I've been unimpaired. Nothing ever... I don't know. I just kept going from chapter to chapter. I can't explain it. God was with me. There are many times in my life I should have been dead. I could have been dead. Amen. I knew it was God. This can apply to physical things like the integrity of a ship's hull, okay, or more abstract concepts like the integrity of a social system. Adherence to standards, folks. Amen. People with integrity are often seen as steadfast or in their adherence to ethical or moral principles. Those people that